A blender is a kitchen staple that can do all sorts of magic for you. Aside from your favorite smoothie, a blender enables you to make soups, sauces, and spreads with ease. Today, we will show you the 5 best blenders based on quality and value for money. Mix, puree, and emulsify food like a pro. All it takes is the push of a button. If you need to upgrade to a better blender or you need more convincing to finally invest in one, this video is for you. Plus, get the best prices of our featured products when you click on the links in the description below this video. Let's begin. First on the list is the Cuisinart CBT 1500 Hurricane 2.25 Peak HP Blender Gunmetal. This 60-ounce BPA-free Triton plastic jar is safe to all and has clear English and American measuring lines on the surface. It boasts of a 2.25 peak horsepower and a 4-prong heavy-duty stainless steel blade that can crush light to heavy ingredients without difficulty, from smoothies to hummus to frozen drinks. It's very easy to operate because of its LCD electronic touchpad control with programmable countdown timer and 6 functional buttons, which includes the on and off button, low and high speed buttons, smoothie button, ice crush button, and pulse function with low and high speeds. The lid has rubber gaskets to secure it in place and has vents on 4 sides of the circle to release the pressure and the heat. If you add more ingredients when mixing, the middle of the cover has a detachable plastic cap that automatically senses the load and adjusts the speed for uninterrupted and steady blending. It's also easy to clean using your hands, or you can opt for the self-cleaning procedure to remove crusty particles. Moreover, the gunmetal design of the Cuisinart CBT 1500 Hurricane blender will definitely look elegant on your kitchen countertop. At number 2, we have the Nutri Ninja Blender Duo with Auto IQ. This is a powerful blender with an automated one-touch system. This Nutri Ninja blender is powered by Auto IQ, a unique pulse program that is out of the ordinary. It follows a blend and pause pattern to produce excellent results. This intelligent automatic operation makes sure that every fruit, ice cube, or vegetable are mixed smoothly. With the Nutri Ninja blender, there's no need to stop the blender to shake or stir. You don't even have to guess or estimate when to pause the blender. Its automated program will do the pause, blend, pause pattern for you. All you have to do is choose a pre-programmed setting between frozen drinks, smoothies, puree, Nutrient Ninja Blend, or Nutri Ultra Ninja Blend, and you'll get the perfect result. It also has an automatic mode where the digital countdown calculates the remaining time for the Auto IQ program that you've chosen. It has 1500 watts of power for all your meals and drinking needs. The blade is made up of sturdy stainless steel that crushes the ice very efficiently in seconds. The Pro Extractor blades break down everything and bring out nutrients from vegetables and fruits. It can even grind coffee beans excellently. Learning so far? If yes, please consider subscribing to our channel for more product reviews that are all aimed to help making your buying decisions much easier. Also, click on the bell icon to get notified of future videos. At number 3 is the Dash Chef Series 64-ounce blender. It is a power blender with 1400 watts, 2.25 horsepower motor, same as the motor on a small lawnmower, and generates 35,000 RPMs of the Japanese stainless steel 6-point serrated blades. This can definitely tear down the thickest and toughest ingredients for your homemade recipes. Another amazing feature of this blender is the 8 preset functions that make prepping up your healthy dishes and smoothies so easy. Just press any of these options: puree, soup, rinse, crush, smoothie, frozen, pulse, or manual to start the onboard computer and create a blending vortex that gives perfect results. This blender is your best kitchen partner when blending hot or cold beverages. Make hot blended soup in just 8 minutes. If you want frozen gelato, you'll have it in less than 30 seconds. This is definitely a must-have blender in your kitchen. It simply makes everything easy and fun, from making healthy smoothies, frozen cocktails, iced coffee drinks, snow cones, chocolate fondue, and purees. This remarkable blender provides more than blending. It allows you to make savory hummus or dips, creamy nut butter, cheese sauce, pesto, and gluten-free flour. All these are possible to prepare in its 64-ounce BPA-free, virtually unbreakable Triton blending jug. And when all is said and done, the no-drip self-cleaning function makes cleaning so much easier. Out of the countless videos we've already had on our channel, we still might have missed a product or two. So if you have a product or category that you'd like us to feature in the future, just leave us a comment below and we'll work that out for you. At number 4 is the Oster Versa Pro Series blender, a versatile blending machine that is powered by a 1400 watt motor and highly durable 6-point stainless steel blade that can spin more than 250 miles an hour, or 28,000 revolutions per minute. The Oster Versa Pro Series blender is a real contender. It operates smoothly and quietly. It has several settings to assist you in creating your favorite dishes. It has 1 pulse and 3 programmable settings: smoothie, dips and spreads, and soup. The pulse button provides superior control for consistency. Instant speed adjustment is made possible through the variable speed dial. The automatic start and stop button helps you achieve your desired results to make your homemade recipes perfect. Moreover, spice up your culinary prowess with this helpful blender that can break down even the toughest of ingredients. Use it as often as you want to blend everything from nuts to soups. Enjoy flavorful, tasty, and refreshing smoothies, juice, puree, sauces, and sorbets every day with just one touch of a button. Cooking for your family or entertaining friends will never be the same if you have this friendly blender in your kitchen. You don't need a separate smoothie maker, handheld mixer, food processor, or ice chopper anymore. The price is reasonable and customers become eligible to a 7-year manufacturer's warranty. The Oster Versa Pro Series blender comes with a 64-ounce BPA-free Triton jar with a tight-fitted lid to prevent a messy spout. It also has a non-slip handle, a tamper to remove tough ingredients, and 2 colored cookbooks containing delicious recipes. The last item on our list is the KitchenAid KSB 1575ER 5-speed diamond blender with 60-ounce BPA-free pitcher, Empire Red. This robust-looking electric blender features a diamond blending system that guarantees the optimum and efficient breakdown of ingredients. It has an exceptional IntelliSpeed motor control that senses the ingredients and automatically chooses the appropriate speed and power to thoroughly process and produce your desired consistency. A steel-reinforced coupler reinforces and transfers power directly to the blender's blade for faster vortex motion. A patented 60-ounce BPA-free diamond pitcher provides a large space to blend the amount you need. The KitchenAid KSB 1575ER 5-speed diamond blender has a sturdy pitcher that is shatter, stain, and scratch resistant. It is also dishwasher safe. It has a clean touch control panel for easy wipe cleanup and spill removal. This attractive looking portable machine with die-cast metal base is a great addition to your kitchen tools. Chop, puree, mix, liquefy, juice, or stir your food as often as you want. The KitchenAid KSB 1575ER 5-speed diamond blender has 5 speed plus crush mode settings. The crush ice control provides pulses at exact intervals, while the pulse mode gives varied speeds for blending. It features a soft start mode that allows you to begin at a slow speed while the blade is pulling in the solid ingredients. It comes with a 5-year manufacturer's warranty. And there you are, our 5 best blenders. Do a whole lot more in your kitchen once you secure one of these. Prepare delicious food and drinks in a swish and have a great time while you're at it. Which one is your favorite? Go click on the link below to avail one of these blenders at the best price. Also, tap the bell icon so you know once a new video is uploaded. We welcome suggestions from our avid viewers. Please leave your thoughts and comments below. Until the next video, thank you for watching the ReviewTube channel.